Hello, my name is Tim Ammon. I'm the global leader of FinTech at BDO and the national financial services leader in Australia. BDO is a trusted advisor to clients seeking audit, tax, and advisory services with a global presence spanning 164 countries and 12 offices in Australia alone. With our focus on dynamic and growing organizations, I'm very pleased that BDO is once again sponsoring this year's Outstanding FinTech Leader of the Year award. The award recognizes an individual who has demonstrated outstanding leadership in the transformation and growth of the Australian FinTech sector.
I'm Jill Berry, CEO and co-founder of Aidatrade, Australia's leading CDR intermediary for data recipients. Now, I'm a product developer by trade. I've helped to build 2 new fully licensed banks, and honestly, I never planned on being a CEO. So a few years ago, I would have never saw myself here. I've had a really great journey building Aidatrade from an idea, really just focusing on how I can bring use cases to life so I can have better services for all Australian businesses and consumers. And it's been about a 3-year journey for us. So I'm really excited to be nominated for our Outstanding FinTech Leader of the Year.
Ben Williamson here, co-founder and CEO of Fresh. We build tools for listed companies to enable them to have control and influence over their market cap. And over the last 3 or 4 years have built a really strong team of about 30 people here in Melbourne who have worked on over 1,500 deals and helped those companies capture about $600 million of otherwise dead demand. Super excited to be put forward, and not just put forward, but finalists in this year's awards amongst a really solid crew of finalists. So very excited for that and super appreciative of the team that has helped us get here and propelling us forward.
It has been an amazing year for Manuva and for myself. Manuva is this payments automation platform that I couldn't be prouder of being a co-founder and CEO of. For me, the last year has been one of team building. Corny as it sounds, it's been about bringing together a team which in an environment that changes rapidly with new technology, new demands and expectations can deliver to our clients. And this year has been probably the more challenging of those, and in many ways the more rewarding one.
Hi, my name's Andrew Goodwin, Chief Financial Officer at Wisr. I want to extend a big thank you to Tim Ammon and the BDO team for sponsoring this award category. Wisr has been on an incredible journey. When I started on that journey back in 2017, Wisr, under a different name at the time, was a peer-to-peer lender in a model that in our view was going nowhere. We ripped up the old model and launched the first purpose-led fintech, ASX listed to note as well. Today we're a purpose-led neo-lender with multiple funding platforms, backed by NAB as a senior funder, one of the largest global credit investors in IFM. We've delivered 23 consecutive quarters of loan origination growth and surpassed $1 billion in loan originations. We recently completed our second ABS transaction in what are obviously very challenging markets. Whilst Outstanding Leader is an individual award, I wouldn't be in this position without my team and my fellow colleagues. And as a business, what we've achieved wouldn't have been possible without the people we have in the business and the belief that we have as a team. It's extremely humbling when you look at how far we've come. I'm so incredibly proud of what we've achieved and the position that we're in to now aggressively grow our revenue and deliver a highly profitable business that is well capitalized and with market-leading metrics. It is a privilege to be nominated, and congratulations to my fellow finalists. I'm sorry I can't be there to celebrate in person with you all, and indeed celebrate our incredible industry, but best of luck to everyone. Thank you very much.
Thanks for the sponsorship, and thanks to Finis for putting these awards on and nominating me. I'm the CEO of a company called Creditor Watch. We're a commercial credit reporting agency. We provide the data and the rails allowing fintechs and other trade credit providers to ultimately make credit risk decisions in real time. So you want to onboard a client, offer them a loan. We're providing that data and giving you the confidence to make that decision. I've been the CEO for 5 years now, about 5 years, and I've also been at Creditor Watch from day one, so 12 years in August, which is really exciting, one of the founding employees. And look, we position ourselves as a technology company, a data company, and ultimately have a lot of fun doing it. So love being involved in the fintech world. It's a place where people want to move fast. They're very agile, and they're always looking for an edge or something unique, and that serves Creditor Watch really well. So great like-minded companies to work with. So thanks everyone. I hope you're having a great night.
Really flattered to be in such great company, and congratulations to the other finalists. It's an absolute pleasure to be in such great company, as I mentioned. So yeah, I've been in fintech probably longer than I'd like to admit before fintech became cool and became a thing and became the industry to be part of. So prior to founding Slip, I was working at PayPal for many years, where I cut my teeth on learning payments, and then obviously after spending many years there in the Australia-New Zealand business, founded Slip in 2016, where we saw a really big opportunity to really, I suppose, power and augment the last mile of the payment experience or the transaction experience. And so at Slip, what we do is we've developed the Slip Smart Receipt. So where rather than receiving a paper receipt when you make a payment with your tap of your card or your watch in store, you'll receive a fully automated digital receipt, fully line-itemed digital, what we call a Slip Smart Receipt, automatically sent into your banking apps. We're putting receipts where they belong. The second product we're releasing quite shortly is around linking not just receipts to your bank card, but also all of those different retailer loyalty cards to your bank card. So making that transaction experience completely auto magic for the customer. We're backed by all 4 major banks, so we're very chuffed to have the blessing and the backing as Australia's only independent fintech to be backed by all 4 major banks. So we've got a long road ahead, but definitely, I know it's a cliche, we're at the start line, but obviously very flattered to get awards like this. And as we roll out Slip Smart Receipts and our one-tap loyalty product to broader Australia over the coming year or two. So it's been an absolute honour to be named in the awards in such a great company, as I mentioned earlier.
Thank you, Tim, and thank you indeed to the entire BDO team for sponsoring this amazing event. My name is Piers. I'm the co-founder and CEO here at PayRight. PayRight are a specialist consumer lender who provide interest-free loans distributed via our trusted network of merchant partners across Australia and New Zealand. I'm very lucky to be working with an inspiring and passionate team across the PayRight business, and I'm very proud of the culture that we've managed to build over this period of time. We encourage people to be brave, we encourage them to be bold, we're not scared of making mistakes, and we encourage innovation. It's probably what we learn from the journey, which is the most important part, and that's that shared success opportunity is something we encourage all of our people to lean into and really look to create win-win outcomes. We've had a number of amazing initiatives over the period of time to increase our employee engagement and our culture across the business. And like I said, I'm very proud of what we've managed to achieve over that period of time. It is an absolute privilege to be nominated alongside some amazing people in this category. Congratulations to all my fellow nominees, and good luck. I look forward to seeing everybody soon. Thank you.